I'm just going to show you a product that we use quite a lot at the garage on older vehicles, just to smarten them up a little bit. It's the T-Cut Scratch Magic Pen, and it disguises scratches. It's not perfect by any means, but it does take your eye off them. Certainly when it dries, it's very difficult to see a scratch unless you knew it was there in the first place and you look for it closely. It's best doing it with one movement if you can, steadying your hand first and then going straight along the scratch in one movement, rather than doing it in little bits like I've had to do because I'm holding the camera in one hand and trying to touch it up in the other. But I'll just show you how it works. I think you'll be impressed. We have a very light scratch on this the back of this car, and this is it, the T-Cut Scratch Magic Pen. Now, it doesn't make a perfect job if you already know where the scratch is, but as you can see, it is a very, very good product. Takes your eye off it completely, and now you can't see it on that panel at all.